Do you find yourself hitting a wall when you try to sing higher? Ah, and suddenly you just cannot go any higher? Well, I'm going to tell you how to fix it today. Now, the natural reflex of our body is to spread out the sound as we go higher and start yelling. And this is what we want to avoid. You don't want to yell as you go higher. You want to do something different. And this is how you can do it. You're going to put your finger on your larynx. This is that thing that when you swallow, it goes up, that V-shaped notch here on your throat. Now, when we're singing, we want it to be stable. You don't want it to rise up too much. You don't want it to go very low. You want it to be quite stable. That is the best position for contemporary singing. So place your finger on your larynx, and as you go higher, you want to prevent it from moving, but not by force. You don't want to force it down, but instead, you want to find a way to make it stay neutral by making the right sounds. So let's say we take the vowel A and we want to go higher into our range. Ah, it already rises up. So that's not the way. You can't spread the vowel too much. Well, let's go again. We're not spreading the vowel anymore. Ah, suddenly, it's way better. Let's close the vowel down a little bit. Ah, ah, ah. And let's make sure it stays that way as we go higher. Ah, ah. Suddenly, I can go way higher without changing anything, and everything stays neutral, everything stays relaxed. So be mindful of the vowel that you're singing, and also don't put too much tension on your voice as you go higher. This is also our natural reflex. We want to breathe a lot of air out, and we want to put a lot of tension on the vocal cords. You want to consciously make sure that you're not doing it. So let's do that again. We want to take, we're going to take a different vowel now. Let's take eh. Eh, 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 eh. If you try to spread it out, eh, you're going to choke yourself. You can't stay in chest voice. You have to try to go vertically into your head, into your head voice. There's no need to open your mouth. And with that coordination, you can definitely sing some stuff. And I don't want to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. Everything is staying neutral and everything is staying relaxed. And you don't have to work very hard to get it. Be aware of how much tension you put on your voice. If anything hurts, if anything feels like strain, like too much tension, then you're probably doing it wrong. Because this really feels like nothing when done right. Definitely give this one a try. Leave a like, subscribe, and contact me if you need vocal lessons. Have a nice day.